To adjust saturation to enhance or soften colors in photos on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open a photo you want to edit. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tone icon. Swipe the icon area to the left to find saturation icon. Next, drag the slider to the left to tone down the colors to make them softer or more mute. Or drag the slider to the right to boost the color intensity to make colors more vibrant. If you are happy with the result, tap Save to save the change. Given to the function, you can use the saturation tool when you want to make dull colors pop or create a softer mood in your photos. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.